welcome back to Somerset Prep Homestead.
Today is Monday, September 9th, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra. And you're watching Python TV. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Is it morning already? Jinx! Not going. Give me my soda.
Fine.
Now that is what I'm talking about.
You are not alone.
Talk to someone.
Choose to stay.
You deserve support.
And the silence.
You are important.
Hold on to hope.
Together, we overcome.
Reach out today.
We care about you.
Stay strong, reach out.
There is hope.
Strength is seeking help.
Help is available.
You are loved. Yeah, that's true.
For today, Pythons, remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow with more news and updates. Have a great day.
Go Python!